Welcome to Debbie's Tutorials. Each week, I will be teaching a different subject for you to learn and practice saying. This is the 9th of many tutorials. In this video, we will learn some verbs. Let's start. Verbs are things we do.
Read, sit, walk, run, dance, eat, cook, stand, wake up, watch TV,
Let's do that again. Repeat after me.
read, read a book, sit, sit on a chair, walk, walk home,
Run, run in the park. Dance, dance at the party. Eat, eat lunch.
cook, cook food,
Stand, stand next to me.
wake up at 7 o'clock,
Watch TV, watch TV at night.
Let's say that once more. Read, sit, walk, run, dance, eat, cook, stand, wake up, watch TV.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Practice every day. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. See you in tutorial number 10, where we will learn the days of the week. Thank you for joining me.